Payroll questions and answers. Basic concepts. What is payroll? It's the financial record detailing employees' wages, bonuses, deductions, and taxes for a specific period. Components. What items are included in a pay stub? Gross pay, deductions, taxes, Social Security, benefits, overtime, and net pay. Calculations. How is net pay calculated? Gross pay, mandatory deductions, taxes, contributions, voluntary deductions, loans, insurance. Key differences. Gross salary versus net salary. Gross is total earnings before deductions. Net is what the employee receives. Deductions. What deductions are mandatory? Taxes, income tax, Social Security, pensions, varies by country. Overtime. How is overtime calculated? The regular hourly rate depends on local laws. Frequency. What is a pay period? Time between paychecks, weekly, biweekly, monthly. Legal aspects. What legal documents support payroll? Employment contracts, tax laws, attendance records. Common errors. What payroll mistakes to avoid? Missing deductions, miscalculations, or payment delays. Taxes. What is income tax in payroll? Income tax withheld from employees based on tax brackets. Issues. How to handle payroll delays. Communicate promptly, pay penalties if required, and adjust processes. Tools. What payroll software to use? Helisa, Sigo, QuickBooks, SAP. Absences. How do medical leaves affect payroll? Depends, paid leave, normal wage, or unpaid leave, no payment. Reports. What reports does payroll generate? Pay stubs, tax filings, and accounting records. How often is payroll processed? It is processed bi-weekly, every other Friday. When will the employees receive their salary? Salaries will be paid on the last business day of the month. Why is there a difference in the net pay this month? There was an increase in health insurance deductions. How are overtime hours calculated? They are paid at 1.5 times the regular hourly rate. Did we include the holiday bonus in this month's payroll? Yes, it was added as a separate item in the payslip. Has the new employee been added to the system? Yes, we registered them last week. Can you send me the payroll summary for this month? Sure, I'll email you the report shortly. What deductions are applied to each paycheck? We deduct income tax, health insurance, and pension contributions. Did we pay all payroll taxes on time? Yes, all taxes were filed and paid before the deadline. Can we update the salary for the sales team next month? Yes, but we need HR approval first. Is the payroll software working correctly? Yes, there were no issues during this cycle. Who reviews the payroll before it is finalized? The accounting manager and the HR director review it. Did anyone report missing hours or errors? Yes, 2 employees submitted correction forms. How do we handle payroll for temporary workers? They are paid hourly and processed through a separate schedule. Can you prepare the payroll audit for the board meeting? Yes, I will have it ready by tomorrow morning.